Welcome, beautiful soul, to InnerVibe Flow. Today, you are invited to take a peaceful journey through the 7 chakras, the powerful energy centers of your body. Through these healing affirmations, we will align, activate, and balance your energy, bringing harmony to your mind, body, and spirit. Find a comfortable space. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel safe. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin. I am grounded, safe, and secure. The earth supports me fully. I allow creativity to flow through me freely. I honor my emotions and embrace my sensuality. I am powerful, confident, and in control of my life. My personal power shines brightly. I am love. I am loved. I give love freely. My heart is open to healing and forgiveness. I speak my truth clearly and confidently. My voice matters and carries healing energy. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I see clearly with the eyes of the soul. I am connected to the divine source of the universe. I am one with all that is. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You've just gifted your soul with balance and healing. Feel the energy gently flowing through you, grounded, free, empowered, and aligned. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to reconnect with your inner peace. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. If this brought you peace, support InnerVibe Flow by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with someone you love. Until next time, stay radiant and in flow.